Good day, everyone. Learn how to uninstall and reinstall Outlook in Windows 11. So, by any chance, if you have any issues in Outlook and you want to start all over and you want to uninstall it, then you just need to click on the start icon and then go to settings. Now, here, the sixth option will be apps, and we will click on that. And here we have installed apps, and we just need to search Outlook. It's the easiest option, and then click on the three dots next to it, and here we have uninstall. You also have advanced option, so by any chance if you just want to reset and repair and uninstall, so you can try. I would recommend to do the reset and then try using it. But if you want to uninstall it, then you can simply uninstall from here. And once you have uninstalled it, then we need to go to the Microsoft Store. So we will click on Start and we will click on Microsoft Store. And here in the search icon, we will type Outlook for Windows. So you can see the Microsoft Outlook for Windows. And to install it, we just need to click on Install. Since it is already installed in my PC, that's why it's giving me an option to open it. So this is how you can uninstall and reinstall Outlook in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.